Hey guys, Hobo Yeti here. Today we are peering into a world most people avoid eye contact with, quite literally. A world where, well, you thought retirement meant rest, and instead it's the curb, the concrete, and maybe, just maybe, a blanket that smells like despair and expired cologne. Welcome to Expectation versus Reality, the Senior Homelessness Edition. This is for those of you thinking, if it ever happens, I'll figure it out. Well, I hope you like surprises. Let's begin. 1. Sleeping outside. Expectation. I'll just camp in a park or crash in my car. Reality. The park's got sprinklers, the car got towed, and the cement whispers sweet nothings to your lower back. And peace. Oh, it packed up and left weeks ago. 2. Finding food. Expectation. Soup kitchens and food banks will take care of me. Reality. More like roulette. It's not, what do I want to eat? It's, what won't make me violently ill today? But yes, the mystery meatloaf builds character. Drita hygiene. Expectation. Public restrooms and a quick sponge bath, I'll be fine. Reality. The only thing reliable about restrooms is the disappointment. And the sponge bath? Hope you like baby wipes and parking lot lighting. 4. Staying safe. Expectation. I'll keep to myself and stay out of trouble. Reality. Trouble loves quiet people. You're either ignored, robbed, or treated like a game level in someone else's survival story. 5. Accessing healthcare. Expectation. Medicare's got my back. Prescriptions, no problem. Reality. What Medicare has is bureaucracy. Prescriptions vanish, doctors ghost you, and now your ankle looks like it's auditioning for a zombie movie. 6. Transportation. Expectation. I've got a bike and senior discounts. Reality. Bike got stolen. Buses don't run past 9. And walking 10 miles a day on 70-year-old knees. Oh, it's a spiritual experience. With blisters. 7. Getting rest. Expectation. A nap here and there, no big deal. Reality. Sleep becomes an ancient memory. Something your body used to know. Now it's 10-minute bursts interrupted by cold, sirens, and someone screaming about lizard people. 8. Staying in touch. Expectation. I'll call my kids, use the library for Wi-Fi. Reality. Phone's dead, charger's gone, and your kids haven't replied since Easter. As for Wi-Fi, you'll be politely escorted out right before clicking connect. 9. Getting help. Expectation. I'll ask for help, someone will care. Reality. Help is a form, followed by another form, followed by a line that leads to a shrug. No address, no callback, but best of luck. 10. Holding on to dignity. Expectation. Even if I'm broke, I'll still be me. Reality. Being ignored daily does things to your soul. Dignity becomes something you try to feel while digging soggy bread out of your backpack. 11th. Dealing with weather. Expectation. I'll just wait out storms under shelter. Reality. Shelter. Ha! The weather becomes your second skin. Wet, cold, and itchy. You will absolutely learn which fabrics hold water best. Spoiler, it's all of them. 12th. Managing medication. Expectation. I'll stay on schedule, keep my pills dry. Reality. Half your meds are ruined, the rest got stolen, and you've been bartering cough drops for ibuprofen like it's the apocalypse. 13. Eating enough. Expectation. I'll find enough food to stay healthy. Reality. You're not eating, you're fueling. If it's edible and free, it's yours. Nutrients? Overrated. Sodium? Through the roof. 14. Holding a job. Expectation. Someone will hire me. I've got decades of experience. Reality. You're overqualified, underhoused, and considered a liability even by the night shift at the gas station. 15. Dealing with loneliness. Expectation. I'll stay positive. I've been alone before. Reality. Solitude is different when it doesn't end. Your name fades. Conversations dry up. The only regular visitor is the ache in your chest. 16. Maintaining warmth. Expectation. I'll bundle up, I'll be fine. Reality. Your blanket is thin, your socks are wet, and the wind sounds like it's mocking you personally. 17. Sleeping comfortably. Expectation. I've done a few camping trips, I'll manage. Reality. Concrete does not care about your lumbar support. Your pillow is a hoodie. And comfort is just another thing you can't afford anymore. 18. Being seen as human. Expectation. People will understand. They'll see me. Reality. You've become wallpaper. Worse, an eyesore. You're not a person anymore. You're a warning, a statistic, a target. 19th, staying physically active. Expectation, walking's good exercise. I'll stay sharp. Reality, walking's fine until it's all you do. Blisters bloom, your back revolts, and your legs whisper things like retirement was supposed to be Florida, not purgatory. 20, escaping the system. Expectation, I'll bounce back, it's just a setback. Reality, setbacks imply there's a return path. The system isn't broken, it was built this way, and now you're lost in it, with no map. 21, having a plan. Expectation, I'll have a backup plan, just in case. Reality, yes, everyone's got a plan until they realize their plan B was made with expired coupons and optimism. Homelessness eats plans for breakfast and then asks what's for dinner. 22, keeping clean clothes. Expectation, I'll keep a clean set in my pack. Reality, the pack got wet. The laundromat needed quarters. Now your clean set smells like mildew, betrayal, and that one time you thought puddles were harmless. 23rd, using shelters. Expectation, shelters will give me a place to rest. Reality, they will if you enjoy fluorescent lights, contagious coughs, and the warm embrace of a plastic mattress next to someone screaming about aliens. It's like a sleepover, but no one sleeps. 24, panhandling if necessary. Expectation, I'll only ask if I really need to. Reality, you will need to, and every no chips at your pride like a pigeon pecking breadcrumbs off your soul. But hey, someone might give you a warm smile and or a leftover fry. 25, avoiding addiction. Expectation, I don't do drugs, that won't be me. Reality, addiction doesn't knock. It offers comfort when no one else does. And pain, cold, fear, they all whisper things like, just this once. You'd be surprised what starts sounding reasonable. 26, rebuilding credit. Expectation, I'll fix my finances once I'm back on my feet. Reality, back on your feet? You're lucky to still have feet. Credit scores don't matter when you can't even convince the bank you exist. 27, making friends. Expectation, there'll be others like me, I'll make friends. Reality, you'll meet people, sure, but survival isn't a social club. It's a poker game where everyone's bluffing and the pot is a can of ravioli. 28th, going unnoticed. Expectation, if I'm quiet, I won't draw attention. Reality, you become too quiet, unseen, unheard. People walk past like you're a shadow that smells like body odor and desperation, but not even the good kind of body odor, like gym body odor, sad gym body odor. 29th, using libraries. Expectation, I'll read, use the internet, stay informed. Reality, you get kicked out for smelling offensive. You Google how to get clean without water. The library once felt like sanctuary. Now it's just another door that closes at 6 p.m. of 30. Being respected. Expectation, I've worked hard my whole life. People will respect that. Reality, the world doesn't check resumes anymore. You're just that old guy with the bag. The only thing they remember is how fast they avoided eye contact. 31, staying organized. Expectation, I'll keep everything tidy in my pack. Reality, your pack is now a mobile garbage island filled with mystery crumbs, wet socks, and that one can opener that definitely betrayed you. 32, having choices. Expectation, I'll choose where to go, what to do. Reality, choices, you mean which alley smells less like urine? Or do I eat today or save the bus fare for tomorrow? A real choose-your-own-adventure, but all the endings suck. 33rd, being strong. Expectation, I'm tough, I've been through worse. Reality, this isn't worse, it's different, constant, aching, invisible. You'll discover parts of your psyche you didn't know existed, and they're not friendly. 34, getting a second chance. Expectation, someone will give me another shot. Reality, second chances require someone watching. You're not even seen anymore. It's like performing Shakespeare in a sewer. Brilliant, but moist and full of rats. 35, protecting your stuff. Expectation, I'll keep my gear close, I'll be careful. Reality, the gear walks off while you blink, bags get slashed, your shoes gone, and suddenly you're bartering half a sandwich for a tarp with holes in it. 36, recovering lost items. Expectation, if I lose something, I'll retrace my steps. Reality, you retrace them and find nothing but regret and maybe a new blister. Your items are now property of the wind, the rain, or some guy named Steve. 37th, staying optimistic. Expectation, I'll stay positive. I have to. Reality. Positivity takes calories, sleep, and serotonin. You'll run out of all three by Tuesday. The best you can hope for is mild cynicism and a dry pair of socks. 38. Using public spaces. Expectation. I'll sit on benches, hang in parks, rest a while. Reality. Benches are anti-homeless now, designed like medieval torture devices. Parks have cameras, and sitting too long gets you a friendly wellness check from Officer Buzzkill. 39th. Being left alone. Expectation. I'll just mind my business. No one will bother me. Reality. You'll be told to move along so often it'll start to sound like your new name. Peace? Huh. The world is loud, suspicious, and allergic to the sight of you. 40. Having hope. Expectation. There's always hope. Reality, sure, but hope is fragile. It leaks like your tent, fades like your coat, and eventually gets replaced with just getting through the days. So there it is. Not pretty, not empowering, not inspirational, but definitely instructional. If you're out there thinking, this won't be me, well, I sincerely hope it won't. But reality, it doesn't ask for your permission. It just shows up and stays. If this gave you a shiver or made you think twice, leave a comment, share it with someone, or just check in on the guy you keep stepping over on your way to brunch. Because sometimes the only thing separating expectation from reality is one missed rent payment. I hope your road is a good one, and if you're homeless, I hope it doesn't suck for you. Take care.